Alright, welcome back to Dual Liberty Firearms, and today we're shooting another gun at another Ballistic Gel Head, but today we're going to be shooting something very odd. Maybe not very odd, but I found this in Walmart. I can't say that. I lie. My brother found it and got it for me as a gift. He's a good brother. But he got me these new 12 gauge Hunt Ego clean shot shoot through gun bore cleaner. These 12 gauge 4-pack, these are the easiest way to clean your gun. At least that's how it's advertised. So I looked at it and I said, all right, there's a couple of wads in there, some paper, and then a bunch of pellets at the end. So I don't know exactly what that's about for cleaning your gun. That's a projectile. I mean, all of it is, but that's an odd projectile to be in there. So I wanted to see what would happen if you shot a ballistics gel human head with a clean shot 12 gauge round. So I'm gonna clean my shotgun and shoot this ballistics gel head at the same time. So right here, we're gonna be using my Mossberg 12 gauge, just like butter. I love this shotgun. It's an old one, but it's one of my favorites. It's a great ski gun. I use it all the time. But all the way around, this is gonna be an odd video in a way because we're shooting a cleaner at a ballistics gel head. So stick around to see what kind of cleaning you can do with your shotgun at the same time as maybe even defending yourself. So we'll see if these will be some defense cleaning rounds. As always, like, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and stick around to see what happens. Alright, this is the 12 gauge clean shot versus ballistics gel human head, and hopefully I don't shoot all my cameras. Wow, I seen a piece of rubber go flying down the road past it. Upon first inspection, we have the 12 gauge versus the ballistics gel head. Now you can see here that these little projectiles that I was talking about in the end, they definitely did some damage. They went into this head all around, even on this side here, you can see they peppered all the way through, clean into the side of the head. I don't think it did too much damage, but it would definitely be a painful round, full of agony, and it would stop whoever hits them in their tracks. So you can clean your shotgun and stop at the same time. But we have not that much damage, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take another round and we're gonna get closer. We shot that one at about 20 yards, so we're gonna see what we could do about 10 yards. So we're gonna cut the distance in half and hopefully cut this head in half. So let's see what we can do. Stick around to see what kind of damage we can get with a clean shot at 10 yards. This is like 10, I call it 15 feet. And that GoPro just got hammered by the head. All right, so we just shot this head with our clean shot out of a 12 gauge. And as you can see, definitely the head split a little bit. I think that was just the gel slamming on the ground. But ultimately, if we try to clean this off a little bit here. Oh, I just got some right in my face. But if you look at it, it is ridiculously penetrated now, and that nose just looks white because of the amount of perforation in there. The head, we have definitely messed up. We definitely punctured it and broke the skull, and then of course it fell over. But it looks like the back of the head has a piece missing here. So once we review the footage, we're going to be able to tell you exactly what happened. But this left side of the head here seems to took the brunt of the shot there, because as you can see, it is sliced like butter right through, and you can see hundreds of travel paths of, not sure what that is in the clean shot, but it definitely does damage. So as you can see, the clean shot, you can clean your shotgun and stop an intruder or whatever, make it a self-defense round as long as you clean your shotgun and use it at the same time. But we definitely did some damage to this ballistics gel head with a clean shot. So a clean shot 12 gauge round versus ballistics gel head, and this is what you get. Thank you and have a great day.